Kublai Pibaro Session 4 kanika video kubamta ngan pentip Syafi yaki khobor laikam palapanmi Dhaka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC Recruitment Arajar Arpsau dia kalapanmi hadu nyop hutam teliki pos pada kiniki pos papia ban apply kade yaki kandidat ki balapandep yaka kelas 12 sajrong iyo ban apply Yala dah pikwa bantip company ya kini kipus dah sampai jaga nika video haduk benakut nang bapin sutu company akabaidai bat kini kipus dengan pula katkum kanotis balapan mi MPSC Meghalaya Recruitment Arajar Arpsau on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, the Meghalaya Public Service invite application online mode from eligible candidate for the post lower division assistant and assistant inspector. The last date for submission of the application is 17 hours on 20 December 2024. The Meghalaya Public Service Commission ka code online application yaki candidate ibalong eligible ban apply yaki ki post jong ki post lower division LDA but assistant inspector ya katarik bak hadu ban submit yaki application kin penyang hadu ka arpu tarik disembar arajar arpusau kesalik na ban apply yaki niki post lada piklam para apply yaki niki post namar ba pedang bayo bah kapor namar ba katarik kandai hadu ka arpu tarik disembar arajar arpusau tingin pe jaka post manikong lower division assistant in the various head of the department. Number of post hadu unre puteliki post baro kibalat na kamanta ki kasi jantie kadai arputeli bat na ki bat jong ki garo lai pueteli OSTSC lai teli ki post deka age limit kadai khat pra hadu lai puasnam bat na kamanta ki SC/ST candidate kan don ka age relaxation hadu sansnam bat si post nam yaki PWD candidates nang taka salary kadai pe level 6 of revised pay structure level 6 kamud 8,000 sajrong hadu undupar sajrong nang taka essential qualification HSLC or equivalent examination from any recognized board university in India pidai mempendap ya ka kelas 12 sajrong hakano kabut lane ka university nang ta kapus kabaar assistant inspector of excise under commissioner of excise number of post kat kena teliki post baro nakam ta QR lai teli ki post bat kasi jantia nyu teliki post ngaro rateliki post OSTSC UA teka age limit kadai khat paradu lai puasnam bat kandon ruka age relaxation sansnam yaki SC/ST candidate bat si post name yaki PWD candidates nang taka salary kadai pay level 6 of revised pay structure kamut 8,000 sajrong hadu lupar sajrong ka starting nang taka essential qualification part PUC or HSLC or substandard from any recognized university or school education board. Jadi mempendap yaka PUC pollution under control lane kelas 12 bapia ban apply. Hakano ka university lane ka school education board. Yakum no bapin apply yakan kipus MPSC LDA but assistant inspector. Candidate are to apply and submit their application through online mode only by clicking on the online application icon appearing on MPSC website www.mpsc.nic.in. Application received through any other mode will not be accepted and will be summarized rejected. Di candidate kibakpa ban apply kini kipus pihak ban apply online ka MPSC ka website kadai www.mpsc.nic.in dengan sabu apa ka description below ya ka website kim pedang lada pipa ya ki application hakiwe kimut laong bakin kin sharjak directly de ki barang thamai pihak ban register sua ilade haka MPFC website ban nangta pisala ban apply yakini ki post nang ta ka application fee pat for post number 1 RS 350 yaka post banikong ka daily sanpo pihak ban siu for post 2 RS 320 yaka post par pihak ban siu lies par pau tingka half the rate of SC ST candidate who are permanent resident of the state of Meghalaya tena kamata ki ST SC candidate ibadai ki permanent jongka state jongka Meghalaya kiha ban siu mar siteng ya kapus banikong ni haban siu tang sispa nyusan tingka padia kapus baar pat tang sispa anrepo tingka de salek ban apply kini pos de tang kini kicing pentip hak baidai bat kini kipus de ngin saya sempat hak ka video keblesibon.